And the markets continue to sell off. My account is up 19% today. Just stellar day today. The markets only went down by like a percent, but I was positioned. I've been positioned for this downfall since last week. I'm up $5,700, 19% on my account. I was expecting to hit around 40K around the end of the year, and I'm well on my way. I did close out a lot of my spreads, and I still have some pending orders here. And all of my puts are panning out exactly how I anticipated. AMD puts are up 549, spreads are up 337, and I had multiple spreads and puts on some of these names, and I've closed a lot of them out. This one's still open. I do have my sell orders here, and Tesla is working out. Once again, Tesla almost hit, what was it, 500 today, and I reshorted it. I've been shorting it as it continues to rally, and I think it's going to have a downfall, and it's having that downfall. So although I've been losing on some of these, once again reshorted this morning, and it was a perfect play. So it's kind of offsetting those losses that I had, and we're going to see how this pans out. So those Tesla losses look like I'm mitigating that risk with the two debit spreads that I shorted this morning. So I kind of covered my bacon there on that. XSP puts, I had three, I sold one, and I still have my other put here. I'm up 110 on this one, 121 on this one, 88, 110, 125. This one's up 345% on the Google puts. Awesome. 184%, 218%. And for those of you who haven't been following me, this is what I charted since last week, since the Fed day, this day here, that we're going towards 6,600. And I did see the market stall a little bit around these moving averages, which is my 20 simple moving average and my 50 simple moving average. And I was feeling a little pessimistic about reaching my goal. But tomorrow we have initial jobless claims, consumer price index, CPI year over year, and core CPI, Fed announcements tomorrow, Thursday, December 18th. And I feel like we're going to see some massive volatility, and I am going to hit my marker of 6,600. I do have a lot of spreads, and I already closed about half of them. So I locked in those profits. But I still do have some just straight up vanilla puts. I have one here, two here with Google. These Tesla ones, these are a little rough. I don't know if I'll get there on these Tesla puts. They're a little low, but we'll see how that works out. I still have the XSP puts here, and my goal is for each of these single puts, I want $1,000 profit on each one. That's my goal. So I'm still about $500 away from here. I might get close to it. I might sell this tomorrow. Actually, I might close this one out. And today I did start opening up my first long position. I opened a debit spread. I'm up 20 bucks on it for the end of the year. Even though I think the markets go down, I'm going to start maybe averaging into December 30th and December 31st calls just to ladder in slowly. I like to slowly buy my positions and get into my longer term positions slowly instead of just a one shot. Besides these positions, the potential volatility happening tomorrow and my charting, I am in the predictions market, and I bought more just like I anticipated. And for whatever reason, you can't see the position on the Robinhood web browser, but here I pulled a screenshot from my phone. My average price is 14 cents per contract, and I'm at 5,000 contracts at the moment. Each contract is worth around 12 cents right now. So I am a little bit down on it, but I'm not concerned. Not concerned. Here is the Bitcoin chart. I'm expecting it to go maybe closer to the $80,000 mark by Friday. Tomorrow, I think we're going to continue to see this sell off with the inflation data. It does affect Bitcoin to some degree. And here, let me just draw this line now. I'm going to say we're probably going to hit around 82. And let's go to December 30th. I'm expecting this move to happen just like that. Oops, not that one. So I'm expecting it to do something like this. There we go. We'll see how that pans out. I think we're going to see a knee-jerk reaction pullback by Friday. I'm going to obtain more contracts. My goal is to buy 10,000 contracts. I might buy 20,000 contracts and looking to cash that bad boy out. Currently invested, not including fees, I'm at 5,000 contracts with an average price of 14 cents. That's around $700 with fees. That's probably closer to $800, $900. And if it does reach 100,000 before the end of the year, I'm already securing $5,000 with a 700, well, more like maybe 850 with fees. $850 investment. I'll be securing a $5,000 if Bitcoin hits 100,000. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to follow for my next moves.